Greetings. This is Honolulu Blue from HB Cruising with an announcement about another music charter cruise that may be of interest to some of you. Entertainment Cruise Productions, ECP for short, has introduced the 90s Cruise, a charter cruise that is designed to be a celebration of that decade, especially the music and its performers. It will be sailing from Tampa on January 31, 2025 on Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas with stops in Cozumel and Costa Maya before returning to Tampa on February 5. The cruise will only last 5 days, but it will be filled with performers that you probably remember from the 1990s, like Blues Traveler, Collective Soul, Gin Blossoms, Everclear, Lit, Color Me Badd, Lisa Loeb, Fastball, C+C Music Factory, Jesus Jones, Digital Underground, and Sophie B. Hawkins. They promise more performers will be announced, which I think is very likely. There's more than a year to go before the sail date. Pricing is available on the main site, which I have a link to in the description. I will confess that it is pricey, but in line with other music charter cruises of similar length. Everyone has to get their piece of the pie. I have been on 2 editions of the 80s cruise that were put on by ECP. They were both great, some of the best cruises I've ever had, along with some of the best concerts I have ever seen. I trust them to put on a good show with this one, and therefore I spent the money to book a cabin. Perhaps if partying like it's 1999 is of interest to you, then you'll join me. Be sure to like and subscribe for more information about the 90s cruise, other music-themed cruises that I may or may not be on, and my solo traveling experiences. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my other videos.